Do CCPA data security rules prevent breach fines? Imagine a world where simply having good security could guarantee you won't face fines after a data breach. Sounds ideal, right? But the truth is a bit more complex. The California Consumer Privacy Act, or CCPA, sets rules about how businesses should protect personal information. It says companies need to take reasonable security measures. But it doesn't spell out exactly what those are. That leaves a lot of room for interpretation. If a company does not meet these standards and a data breach happens, they can face fines. The law allows consumers to sue companies directly if their unencrypted personal data is stolen because of poor security. This means there are two ways the government and individuals can enforce the law. The California Privacy Protection Agency, or the California Attorney General, can impose fines. Meanwhile, consumers can file private lawsuits for damages. Fines from the government can reach $2,500 for unintentional violations and $7,500 for intentional ones. Each affected person counts as a separate violation. So if thousands of people are impacted, fines can add up to millions of dollars. Private lawsuits can also be costly. Consumers can seek damages of $100 to $750 per person per incident, or even more if actual damages are higher. These private claims can be part of class actions, which can lead to huge liabilities. The tricky part is what counts as reasonable security. The law doesn't give a strict list of what security measures are enough. Courts look at what a company did based on the data's sensitivity and the type of business. What was enough security in 2020 might not be enough in 2025. This is especially true as artificial intelligence and machine learning systems process more personal data. These systems can create new risks, like exposing data to hackers or attackers trying to trick the system. The law also offers a 30-day window to fix violations before fines are imposed. But this period doesn't help much if a breach has already happened. Once data is stolen, fixing the security doesn't undo the damage. Encryption and access controls can make data less attractive to thieves and show that a company took security seriously. Conducting regular security audits and creating incident response plans can also help. These steps show good faith efforts and can reduce fines or liability. However, even the best security measures can't guarantee no breach will happen. They lower the chance of a breach and can limit fines if one occurs. But if a hacker or attacker is very skilled, they might still succeed. Having strong security helps in court and with regulators, but it doesn't make a company immune from fines. When it comes to artificial intelligence, the stakes are higher. AI systems often need large amounts of personal data, which increases exposure. They can also be targeted by attacks designed to manipulate or steal data from the models. So companies must think about AI-specific security risks when they build their defenses. In the end, CCPA data security rules set a baseline for protecting personal information. They help reduce the chance of fines but don't prevent them entirely. Organizations should see security as a way to lower risk and show they are doing their best to protect data. Even with top security, breaches can happen, so it's important to be prepared and understand that fines are still possible.